Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Santorini Black. This is a 4.4 V8, next due for a service in February 2022. You have 22-inch silver finish alloys. The car's previously had only one owner. You have a powered tailgate, which is great if you've got your hands full. And going round and into the front of the vehicle, you do also have keyless entry, illuminated Range Rover script tread plates, and a lovely leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day, or just if you want a bit of fresh air. And you do also have a windshield there. Cooler compartment, which is great if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold, or as it gets warmer, keep drinks cold. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And you do also have heated seats in the back, ensuring all your passengers have a luxury journey. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you have a rear view camera. And you also have a 360-degree surround camera, which makes parking and reversing so much easier. Touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. And you do also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether, but that looks really effective, especially in the dark. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all help when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, which is really nice on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the car. And you do also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 3,556 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.